Hey guys, how can you hold a projector in your hand? You'll be surprised to know about the first product, so tap on that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. WorldWideTech is here to show you a variety of new gadgets, so in this video let's see 20 such cool gadgets. Number 20. The HP Sprocket Portable Instant Photo Printer. Do you want your closest memory to be printed as a photo? Well, the HP Sprocket Portable Instant Photo Printer is the quickest solution. This photo printer is so slim to carry anywhere too. You can create your scrapbook filled with joyous memories. Maybe during your friend's birthday celebration, you can even decorate the hall with these quick photos. The original price of this product is $130. Number 19. The Fire Pit Plus. Bonfires and barbecues, the perfect way to enjoy outdoor vacation. The Fire Pit Plus eliminates smoke by making your fire hotter. Just $229 for this amazing product. Number 18. Bionic Boots. There's some adrenaline rush that happens while watching these action movies. The superheroes can jump and run higher and quicker. Do you want to do the same? Well, you can run at a speed of 25 miles per hour with these. A pair of bionic boots will only cost you $998. Number 17. The LumenAid Solar Inflatable Lantern. This LumenAid Solar Inflatable Lantern for $30 soaks up the sun during the day so that you can use its light at night. Now that's a cool gadget. This lantern is also really lightweight. In addition, it has a handle to allow easy carrying. Number 16. The Rocketbook Everlast Reusable Smart Notebook. Imagine how many notebooks we use every year. This Rocketbook Everlast Reusable Smart Notebook is available for $42. It contains only 36 pages and can be cleaned up with a damp cloth. They can also be exported to email, Google Drive, and you name it. This notebook contains dotted grids, so whatever work you're doing inside is a breeze. Number 15. The Herb Saver Best Keeper. Keeping the herbs fresh is sometimes really difficult. To keep them as fresh as possible, store them in this Herb Saver Best Keeper. Don't forget to refill it with water every 3 to 5 days. The herbs will last longer. It's also dishwasher safe, so if it gets dirty, it's easy to clean up. This masterpiece will cost you $24. Number 14. The TileMate. TileMate ensures that you will never lose your items. Just attach the tile to your keyring and download the Tile app to your phone. When your phone is lost, press the button on the tile to trigger a ringing sound, and no matter if your phone is silent. The same way it works for your keys too. And all this for just $24. Number 13. The Amazon Echo Buds. Amazon's premier pair of wireless earbuds will feature active noise reduction technology and is water resistant. These buds work for 5 hours and the charging case provides an extra 15 hours and is a travel-friendly option, all for just $70. Number 12. The Owl Pro. The Meeting Owl Pro is a perfect illustration of how technology has advanced to make the process more effective and immersive as people continue to work remotely and online meetings become commonplace. With a speaker, 8 microphones, and a 360-degree camera, it attempts to simulate a face-to-face meeting when even participants are not present. It's a smart piece of equipment that works with Zoom, Slack, Google Hangouts, and more. Number 11. The Genie High-Speed USB Charger. This is much more than just a USB charging port. With the Genie High-Speed USB Smart Charger outlet, you can remotely manage 2 plugged-in devices simultaneously or separately. It doesn't add the extra size of an external smart plug or even a charging brick, making it perfect for bedrooms, kitchens, and home offices. Number 10. Digital Food Scale and Measuring Cup. With this useful digital kitchen food scale and measuring cup, you'll never again mistake a measurement. It has a built-in scale and measuring cup, making it as accurate as it can be. It even has an LED display that is simple to read, making it ideal for bakers. Cleaning and washing the measuring cup is also super easy. Just remove the cup from the scale and wash it. Number 9. Wakako Mini Presso NS. Wherever you are, Wakako Mini Presso NS is the best option for quickly and efficiently enjoying superb espressos. You should acquire one for yourself. It runs manually and isn't powered by electricity. To make coffee, all you need to do is add hot water and a capsule. Make an espresso, enjoy it, and remember to subscribe to WorldWideTech. You'll definitely enjoy the content that we have to give. Number 8. The Hatch Restore. Even in the rain, you can wake up with the sun thanks to the Hatch Restore. It functions as a sound machine, dawn alarm, smart light, meditation app, and an alarm clock all in one, making it the ultimate smart sleep aid for assisting parents in getting the rest that they need. Hatch Restore enables you to easily customize a bedtime and wake-up routine in addition to a robust sound collection and 22 light hues. Number 7. The Vintage Backlit Mechanical Keyboard. The Vintage Backlit Mechanical Keyboard is made to look as a wonderful piece of art from the past. Connect it to your laptop or even your personal computer and allow the magic to happen. It's available in 5 different colors for your choosing. The price of this keyboard is $130. Number 6. The Amazon Fire TV Cube. The most recent Fire TV Cube is the swiftest and strongest one yet. It includes an octa-core processor, which increases its power by 20% over the previous generation, and it has some incredible super resolution upscaling that can turn HD content into 4K. The hands-free voice control of the Fire Cube eliminates the need for the remote control. It's the first streaming video connector to have an HDMI input connector, and it's Wi-Fi enabled in addition to having a dedicated Ethernet and USB port. Number 5. The Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. Get an Angry Mama for your microwave and get it cleaned within no time. This toppest Angry Mama microwave cleaner serves as a steamer for your microwave. Cleaning it out this way is the simplest and quickest method. This little kitchen gadget releases all the gunk from your microwave walls and doors with water and vinegar. Let's see how you process this. Fill the Angry Mama torso with water and vinegar, then put her head on. Steam will come out of the holes in her head, softening any baked food or grease. Then use a cloth or tissue to wipe off all of this dirt. That's it. People are raving about it and has over 4,000 customer reviews. It's an adorable kitchen accessory that comes with 4 different colors. This product has been recommended by previous buyers with a 100% surety. Number 4. The Brazen Morph Alpha Foam Roller. The Brazen Morph Alpha Foam Roller solves the problem of awkward foam roller storage. You'll adore its clever and practical design, which is particularly perfect for travel. Simply pull the ropes to form the roller's cylinder shape and you can transport it wherever. No matter where you are, you can control your discomfort and hasten your recovery. The Morph is made to make recuperation a comfortable part of every day, assisting people in reaching their fitness and health goals. Number 3. The Kindle Scribe. Although Amazon has made significant progress since the release of its initial Kindle reader, they have been sluggish in adopting the new pen as its feature. You can now have handwritten notes, scribble comments on the books you are reading, and overall make more use of your Kindle thanks to the Kindle Scribe. In addition, the tablet has one of Kindle's greatest displays, so you can keep reading in direct sunlight. In order to relax and get ready for bed, there's also a warm light setting. Number 2. The HyperX Cloud Alpha Gaming Headset. Great battery life is what the HyperX Cloud Alpha gaming headphones prioritize above all else. These headphones have a 300-hour battery life. That means you can use these headphones for slightly over 12 days without needing to recharge them. In addition to their durability, these headphones provide a strong, clean sound and a mic that is of the highest caliber. And at number 1, the Kodak Luma 150 Portable Projector. This is how you hold your projector. The Kodak Luma 150 portable projector promises to expand the screen up to 150 inches while delivering bright, vivid images. It's tiny enough to fit in your briefcase if you need to make a presentation for work, or on your backpack so that you can watch a movie or game while on the go. It contains headphone jacks for private viewing and built-in surround sound speakers. The battery has a runtime of 2.5 hours and is recharged through a small USB. If you're interested in buying any of the gadgets, links are provided in the description below. If you find our video exciting and useful, do like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon. We don't want you to miss out on any cool new videos. Also, click on the new videos on your screen to watch our videos, and until we meet again with new tech updates, goodbye.